Baik, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the English lesson. And today you are still with me with Mr. Aris and I'm now with the third graders. Sekarang hari ini Pak Aris bersama teman-teman di kelas 3. Today we are going to have the new unit. Kita masuk ke unit baru. We come into the second unit. Kita masuk ke unit 2. The title is the classroom object or the classroom supplies. Before we gonna write into this lesson, I'm going to show you this video. Sebelum Pak Aris tunjukkan presentasinya, silakan disimak dulu video berikut ini.
English Sing. School supplies. What's in your backpack? It's my book. I can read. Book. It's my notebook. I can write on it. Notebook. These are my scissors. I can cut the paper. Scissors. It's my glue. I can stick them with it. Glue. It's my tape. I can put them with it. Tape. Is this your pencil case? Yes, it is. Pencil case. What's in your pencil case? These are my pencils and pens. I like to write. Pencil, pen. It's my eraser. I can erase and write again. Eraser. It's my highlighter. I can mark with it. Highlighter. It is my ruler. I like to measure. Ruler. These are my color pencils. I can draw a rainbow. Color pencil. There are things for school in my backpack.
That's it. That's about the school supplies. Apa tadi? School supplies or school subject. Jadi objek-objek atau benda-benda yang ada di ruang kelas kita. Now we are gonna check one by one. Sekarang kita coba lihat satu persatu ya sambil mengingat tadi the classroom object. Later nanti Paris akan tampilkan ini. Ini bisa dimainkan sebetulnya. Nanti Pak Aris kasih link di YouTube atau di Google Classroom-nya. Silakan nanti bisa dimainkan. Yang punya PowerPoint bisa nanti dimainkan di rumahnya, gitu ya. Let's check this one. Ini there are a lot of things. Ada banyak sekali. Ada benda-benda ini ya. What are they? Do you still remember? Masih ingat tadi yang pertama? I have this one. What is this? Apa ini? This is a bag. Ini bag ya tadi ya. Yang kedua yang masih ingat apa ini? This is a pencil. Ini pencil. What is this? This is an eraser. Tadi ya. What is this? Kalau yang ini apa ini? This is a ruler. Let's check this. Kita coba lihat sih satu per satu. What is it? The point is, pertanyaannya adalah what is it? In the first lesson, di pelajaran yang pertama kemarin, kita sudah belajar kalau benda itu jumlahnya 1, we say this as it is or is it for the question. Kalau untuk pertanyaannya berarti what is it? itu coba bendanya cuma satu. Kalau lebih dari satu, so we say what are they. Jadi apa mereka? Jadi apa itu tapi bendanya lebih dari satu. Berhubung ini cuma satu, so we say what is it? What is it? What is it? Kira-kira yang mana sebelah mana? There are pencil, school bag, ruler, rubber, stapler, or calculator. What do you think? Kira-kira? Alright, this is a school bag. Kalau nanti bisa dimainkan ya ini ya. Jika jawabannya benar, maka langsung menuju ke look at this. Yeay, oke, ada smile-nya di sini. And you can continue. Nanti bisa diklik di next-nya. Kalau jawabannya salah, semisal salah berarti kita coba sih ini ya. Ruler. Oh, this is not ruler. Ini bukan ruler. Kalau salah berarti tulisannya menghilang. Oke, kamu next for the second. Yang kedua. What is it? What is the picture? Gambar apa ini? Is that ballpoint? Apakah ini ballpen? Is that sharpener? Apakah ini sharpener? What is sharpener? Sharpener adalah rautan. Rautan pensil ya. This is a pencil case. What is pencil case? Pencil case adalah tempat pensil. Okay, how about this rubber? Rubber adalah penghapus. Notebook? What is notebook? Yes, okay, of course, this is a notebook. Kita coba ya. This is a notebook, right? So that's the answer. Itu betul jawabannya. Yay. Okay, this one. Number 3, yang ketiga. Okay, we skip for this. Coba kita skip dulu ya. I teach you part 2. Ya, benar. 1. Nanti bisa dimainkan di rumah. Di komputernya masing-masing jika punya komputer. Okay, I have this one. Okay, so what do you think? Kira-kira jawabannya. The question is, pertanyaannya adalah what are they? Not what is it, tapi what are they? Berarti apa ini? Ininya adalah lebih dari satu. Okay, what do you think? Kira-kira apa ini? Is that textbooks? Are they textbook? Apakah buku atau kitab-kitab? Are they scissors? Scissors means gunting. How about these clips? What is clips? Clips or paper clips? Okay, these are clips. How about these notebooks? Kalau notebooks, buku catatan, bukan ya? Ini bukan buku ya. How about these drawing pins? Is that pin? Pins itu semacam seperti kayak pin, paku pinus gitu ya. Pin, jadi pin untuk menancapkan note di sana. How about this color pencil? No, I don't think so. Bukan ini kelihatannya. So the answer is, I think they are clips. Okay, right. Betul ya. Okay, you can go on next. Nanti bisa dilanjutkan. Pak Aris sertakan power column di Google Classroom-nya atau di YouTube. So for next, I'm going to show you something. Berikutnya Pak Aris tunjukkan sesuatu ini. It's really how many things you have. Jadi berapa jumlah benda yang kamu miliki? I have this one. Look at this. We are going to learn about there is or there are. There is or there are. Atau boleh kita persingkat, kita perpendek dengan kata-kata there is. Yang asalnya there is bisa jadi there is. There are bisa jadi there are. Okay? There is a or an. Masih ingat yang kemarin pelajaran pertama? Kalau untuk menyatakan sesuatu yang jumlahnya satu, we call this as the four singular noun. Bentuknya adalah singular. Singular itu benda tunggal atau objeknya cuman ada satu. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. Ada, jadi mananya adalah ada ya. Ada sebuah buku, karena jumlahnya cuma satu, we say there is. There is. There is a pen in my school bag. There is a pen. Ada sebuah pen. Di sini a ini adalah sebuah bolpen di dalam tas sekolahku. How about if I have more than one object? Kalau Paris punya lebih dari satu objek, lebih dari satu benda, we say not there is like this, but there are. Oke, kita gunakan kata there are atau there are. And you must remember, harus diingat, kalau nanti ketemu benda yang lebih dari satu, maka di endingnya di akhir bendanya wajib kita tambahkan huruf S or ES. Oke, look at this. Oke, jadi kalau untuk benda yang lebih dari satu, kita tambahkan S or ES. For example, like this. There are 4 clips under the chair. There are 4 clips under the chair. Karena jumlah clipsnya, clip tadi apa ya? Clip tadi adalah kayak penjepit kertas tadi ya. Oke, there are 4 clips. Jumlahnya ada 4. Maka kita tambahkan huruf S di bagian belakang bendanya. There are 2 rulers. Rulers, not only ruler, bukan ruler saja, tapi rulers in my pencil case. Oke, do you get this point? Bisa dipahami? Bisa ya? Oke, now let's go on. Berikutnya, we are going to have this preposition. Oke, dalam bab ini nanti kita juga belajar tentang preposition. Preposition artinya preposisi, yakni kata depan. It's used when we are going to show something, the location, the position of thing, sesuatu, posisi suatu benda. Just like this. Look at these examples. Lihat contohnya. Ini ada anak, beberapa anak di sini. We have this in front of. Let's listen. In front of. This is under. This is on. Behind. Between. Next to. Okay. Kemudian what are they? Apa saja itu? In means di dalam. On means artinya di atas. Under means di bawah. How about in front of? In front of or in front of means di depan. Next we have beside. What is beside? Nama lain beside di sini Pak Aris tulis ada next to. Maknanya sama. Ini artinya sama, berarti di samping. Posisinya ada di samping, di sebelah kita. How about this behind? Behind means di belakang. Between means di antara. Oke, these are the position of thing. Ini adalah kata-kata yang ditunjukkan untuk meletakkan ya, atau menunjukkan satu posisi suatu benda. Oke, look at this example. Lihat contoh berikut ini. The question is, pertanyaannya adalah, where is my ball? Look at this picture. Lihat gambar di sini. Where is my ball? Di mana bola saya? We can say, kita bisa mengatakan, the ball or my ball is on the bed. Oke, karena bola saya ada di atas kasur, ada di atas tempat tidur, we say my ball is on the bed. Oke, right. Next berikutnya, I have apa lagi ya ini ya? Oh, oke, look at this. How do you say this? Kira-kira apa ini? This is a calculator. Ini kalkulator. Where is the calculator? Right. The calculator is on the desk. Desk means the table. Sama. Jadi bangku atau meja. Ada di mana ini? Ada di posisi atasnya. Berarti kalkulator ini ada di atas meja. Right. Berikutnya Pak Aris pengen lihat di sini ada. Okay, right. I have this. Pak Aris punya ini nih. What is this? This is a bag. Okay. Where is my bag? Pertanyaan jadi, where is my bag? My bag is, kira-kira tak saya posisikan di sebelah mana ya? Ada di sampingnya buku ini, atau ada di sampingnya sebuah tape. Okay, this is a book, this is a tape. Where is my school bag? My school bag is next to or beside my book. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it our lesson. Itu dia pelajaran kita hari ini. Jadi kita belajar tentang beberapa kata-kata, kosakata, things in the classroom atau the classroom object. The second we have this, there is or there are, and the last one yang terakhir adalah it's about the preposition. Okay, that's it. If you have any, jika nanti ada yang butuh ditanyakan, you can write down any comments in your Google Classroom. Okay, thank you for today. And see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.